Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 26 Woodstone Rise in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular contemporary home. So let's take a tour. This stunning foyer with a vaulted ceiling and an open staircase leads to many rooms of the spectacular contemporary home, including a spacious living room with nature views.
The hallmark of this amazing home is the great room with the stone fireplace and those soaring vaulted ceilings. Open to this designer cook's kitchen, great for entertaining. Featuring stainless steel appliances, silestone countertops, hardwood floors, and expansive yet beautiful wood cabinetry, leading to a formal dining room. The first floor also features an office or potential bedroom with built-ins and beautiful hardwood floors, a back hallway with custom built-in cubbies, plus a powder room and laundry. This finished lower level provides great additional living space with an activity and media room.
The upstairs overlooks the great room and features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this private master suite with a walk-in closet, a dual sink vanity, and a spa bathroom. This rare quality-built small home, worthy of Architectural Digest, has clean lines, curb appeal, and an amazing nature setting. When you elevate your home, you elevate your life. This home is just spectacular.
Enjoy peaceful nature views from this expansive patio. You can have it all with this Pittsford Dream Home.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 26 Woodstone Rise in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!